Today we will create this effect using particles. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add P-emitter and P-render nodes. In the P-emitter node, go to the Region tab and set the type to bitmap. Add background node, set its color to white and connect an ellipse to it. Disable the solid option and increase the border width value. Set the size. Go to the Style tab, P-emitter node and set bitmap. Add another background node, set color to white and connect an ellipse. Reduce the size to create particles. Return to the first ellipse and reduce the length value to 0.1. Set keyframe on a position parameter, move to the end of the clip and set value to 2. Go to the Control tab of the P-emitter node. Set the parameters: number 40, number variance 20, left span 30, left span variance 20. Set temporal distribution to randomly distributed. In the velocity section, set velocity to 0.007 and velocity variance to 0.03. Set angle to -65 and angle variance to -400. Go to the Style tab, Size Control section. Adjust value to desired. Create curves that difference particle size over lifetime. In the Fade Controls tab, reduce the fade value. Add another P-emitter and P-render, then combine it with first layers using the Merge node. Connect both background nodes. Configure the second P-emitter for creating an additional independent layers to enhance the effect. Set the particle's color. Add glove node and adjust the glove. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget subscribe to channel.